To set up eSIM on Oppo A6 Pro 5G, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to enter the mobile network, and then we can click on the eSIM. If you click on that, then make sure that your eSIM is activated. I would also recommend to have any type of internet connection during the setup process, as I think, but I'm not 100% sure, that you may encounter problems when you don't have any internet connection. So when we're ready, click on Add eSIM right there. Wait until it's finished with checking network information and other stuff, and after that we'll be able to continue. So we can set up our eSIM or transfer our eSIM from other device. So if you want to transfer from your previous device, click on the second button. If you want to set up brand new eSIM, go for the first option. Okay, now we have options on how we want to enter our eSIM. First option is just to scan QR code from our carrier. So you have a window right here, which is your rear camera. All you have to do is scan QR code from the box that you have received a QR code from, or if this was the, let's say, online transaction where you got eSIM and you have a picture for it, you can scan from the photo. So open scan from the photo and select the photo where you have a QR code as well. The other way to do it is to simply enter the activation code manually. So you can click on this option and then enter the activation code that you have on the card as well. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.